This is mod 3 for the advanced psoas stretch. Starting in a lunge position, let's step forward with that right foot. Make sure there's enough distance here between your feet. Lean forward. You're gonna reach that left arm up towards the ceiling. As you bend your left knee, you're gonna see if you can reach back for that left foot with that right hand. Dorsiflex flex that top hand. Draw your belly in, control your balance. And now as you inhale, breathe into that left body. And as you exhale, just kind of move your torso to the right slightly, pushing that left hip bone forward, getting that nice stretch into the psoas, into the quad. To come out, engage your core, and then slowly release the foot, release the hands, and just step back into a kneeling position. And make sure you do the second side. This is mod 1 for the advanced psoas stretch. We're gonna start in that lunge position, stepping the right foot forward, left knee back. Come onto the ball of that left foot. Bring your hands down by your hips, and you're just gonna lean forward. Really thinking about squeezing that left butt cheek as you push that left hip forward. Getting a nice stretch into the quad all the way up through to the psoas. Staying here and just breathing, getting a nice stretch. And then to come out, just push into that front foot, come back into a kneeling position, and make sure that you do the second. This is mod 1 for the advanced psoas stretch. We're gonna start in that lunge position, stepping the right foot forward, left knee back. Come onto the ball of that left foot. Bring your hands down by your hips, and you're just gonna lean forward. Really thinking about squeezing that left butt cheek as you push that left hip forward. Getting a nice stretch into the quad all the way up through to the psoas. Staying here and just breathing, getting a nice stretch. And then to come out, just push into that front foot, come back into a kneeling position, and make sure that you do the second side. This is mod 2 for the advanced psoas stretch. Coming into a lunge position, stepping forward with that right foot. Lean forward so you're not on your back knee. You're gonna leave your left hand down by your left leg, bend your left knee, and reach around for that back foot. Let the heel be pulled back by the foot. Let that right shoulder open. And then you're leaning into it, thinking of that left hip coming forward, getting a nice stretch into the psoas and into the quad. To come out, don't let the foot spring away. So control the movement, hug your belly in, point the toe, slowly release the foot, step out of it, back into a kneeling position. This is mod 3 for the advanced push, swing, pull plank. Let's set up in that advanced side plank position. So wrists underneath the shoulders, reaching that left leg up, star position with the body, dorsiflex flex, action in the feet and the hands. Bring that left fist in towards the ribs. And now here's the action of the arm. Push, swing that arm back and around, and pull. Push, swing, and pull. Keep moving. Push, swing, pull. Push, swing, you're doing great, pull. This is mod 1 for the advanced push, swing, pull plank. Starting in our plank position, safety in the wrist and the shoulder first. So make sure that your right wrist is right underneath the right shoulder. And then from here, you're gonna reach your legs out. That left foot is gonna come in front of the right, and you're just gonna make a nice side plank version of yourself. Bring those elbows into the ribs. Get some security here into the shoulders and the scapula first. And here's the movement with the arm. So it's a push and it's a swing. You're bringing that arm back and around and up. And then you're gonna pull that arm down. And then we reverse the movement. So it's a push and it's a swing, and then you pull it back in. Continuing here. Push, swing, pull. Push, swing, pull. Continue. Push, swing, pull. Forward. Swing that arm back and around over your head, and then pull that arm back down. And then we reverse the movement. Push, swing, and pull. Push, swing, working the rotation of that shoulder, pull, while maintaining that stabilization in the shoulder girdle. Keep moving your body. Make sure this feels safe in your wrist and your shoulders.